Welcome one and all. So in this video, I am trying to focus on electrophilic, aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions. So already we have discussed about the electrophilic substitution reactions in previous videos with basic introductions and details about the rhenium ion and proof for the rhenium ion also, and how to find out the evidences that during the electrophilic substitution reactions the rhenium ion is formed. So these things we have already discussed in previous videos. So now in this video I am trying to focus with our general mechanism of our electrophilic substitution reaction. And already we have mentioned about the various kinds of the various types of our electrophilic substitution reactions with examples of nitration and halogenation, sulfonation reactions, and Friedel-Crafts, alkylation and acylation reactions that I have mentioned you about in previous videos. And we will go one by one about the how the nitration is taking place with the detailed mechanism like that. So this is the generalized form of our electrophilic substitution mechanism. So and more often we need to know about why benzene is ready to go for the electrophilic substitution reactions very easily. So because there is a delocalized pi electrons present inside the benzene ring, which facilitated for the benzene to undergo the electrophilic substitution reactions and ready to go for our electrophile attack. Based on that, you will get our substituted electrophilic substituted product. So initially I am taking an example with the benzene with electrophile. Electrophile is attacking here because benzene is a planar. So for sake of convenience, I am choosing this position. All the positions are same, so that for sake of convenience or easy to understand the mechanism, we have to fix some position for the electrophilic substitution reactions here. So electrophile is attacking over here. Already we know that this is a C6H6 is a benzene, so that the electrophile is attacking here. So what will happen? There will be formation of the rhenium ion. So this is called rhenium ion, and this is the canonical forms of our rhenium ion, which shows the resonance stabilized form of this one. However, due to the loss of the delocalized pi electrons present inside the benzene ring, which is not available in the case of our rhenium ion, so which implies that rhenium ion lost is the aromaticity. So aromaticity of the rhenium ion is lost, and this is the way the position of the our positive charge is encircled towards our entire benzene ring. So altogether we supposed to know about that it is our sigma complex. Upon retaining or restoring the aromatic nature, the rhenium ion want to deprotonize or want to lose the proton to make our electrophilic substituted product by means of our Lewis base. So Lewis base is attacking here in such a way that the obstruction of the proton by the base will take you to get our product. So based on that, we will get our substituted product. So what will happen? So this will come back to our benzene ring, so which implies that the delocalization is retained. So delocalization once retained, so which implies that the substituted product is a aromatic in nature. So this by this way our rhenium ion is come back to the substituted product with the aromatic nature. So in the this is the way actually our rhenium ion is working, that electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions is working on.